Today we're here to talk about U.S. auto tariffs against Canada. What? Wait a second. Let me back up. Did you know that Canada is the United States' biggest customer for autos and auto parts? Well, I bet you didn't know that Canada buys almost 40% of all U.S. autos and auto parts exports. Vehicles built in Canada, on average, contain over 50% of American-made parts. The amazing thing is that some of these parts, which are used to make larger parts like seats or engines, can cross the Canadian-U.S. border multiple times before becoming a finished vehicle. Tariffs mean increased costs in every part of the manufacturing process. If tariffs were put on autos and auto parts, the increased cost will be passed on to us, the consumers. The price of a typical $30,000 vehicle would increase by thousands of dollars. What else will it cost? Auto tariffs will cost American jobs. Estimates range from 190,000 to over 600,000 American jobs lost in the first year alone. Auto tariffs will hurt American and Canadian workers, companies, and communities. Well, thanks for taking the time to listen. If you want to learn more about the special relationship that Canada and the United States share, check out the links below.